Hello everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. So in this video, I'll show how you can set up a basic SEO in your website. So your website can start ranking on the Google. And so if you're a beginner, you can just follow this tutorial to understand the basic SEO in WordPress. So first we'll start with what is SEO. So SEO is basically a way of optimizing your website to appear in the search results like Google, and also for that, in the WordPress, you can use one of the plugins, which I am in this tutorial. I'm using a Yoast plugin, but there are other popular plugins like the Rank Math and the All-in-One SEO plugin. So I've already installed a Yoast SEO plugin. First, you can just go to the settings to enable the sitemaps and the title you want to appear for the each post type. So let's just go and quickly set up a SEO for a page. So I have about us page. So in the about us, and you scroll down to the SEO section, this is a used SEO section. You can see this is a key phrase or keyword for which your website rank for, and also there is a space for the title and the description. Use these parameters to enable the title for your website, or you can use delete it out and space paste manually the title you want to put on your website, and also the meta description. There is a limit for both of these things, so you can just go on and precisely paste the title and the description according to the length it required. And also, apart from this, first is your images on the website should be optimized enough, and also you should have a page which has a minimum DOM size, or your page should not be heavily created. And also, third thing, you should use headings in a hierarchical manner. Fourth one is you should have a clean and a simple content on your website which is easily understandable and readable by the user. So I hope you understand in the tutorial that how you can set up a basic SEO for your website. So in the next coming tutorial, we'll go deep into the SEO topics. Now, thank you so much. We'll meet again.